I'm Gwen Graman. I'm the Chief Growth Officer for Linda, and Linda is a personal or staff planning platform based out of Amsterdam.
And I'm Dragan Nanic, and I'm CTO at Linda, in charge of development and support.
Maybe you remember from your first job next to uni or college, where you would get your schedule from your manager through an SMS or email, or even a post-it or a whiteboard on the wall. We help those entrepreneurs avoid all that paperwork. So we're a platform where you as an employee can give your availability, and based on that, the entrepreneur or the planner can make the staff schedules. Obviously, with staff schedules also comes, for example, making sure the hours you actually worked are getting paid. So Linda integrates with different platforms to make sure that process is quite easy for our entrepreneurs.
Linda is a fully SaaS product, and we are running it in AWS. And of course, with running production in AWS come a lot of challenges in making it sure that it's scalable appropriately and still within the reasonable cost. DoiT helps us making that happen. Yeah, we first learned about DoiT via AWS Startup Council and AWS architects who recommended starting up with DoiT as a partner, that they can help us migrating to AWS, and then also with any ideas how to improve the solution afterwards. We use DoiT predominantly as a helping partner to solve any issues at hand that might occur during running the production. So if some cost goes higher, or setting up exceptions on our load balancer, setting up IPv6, things like that, then we can always relate to DoiT for a fast help. What I like about DoiT is that they are there for us in a fast manner, and then very knowledgeable about anything regarding AWS. So we can go from very high-level strategy questions to deep down detailed setup of any services, and also they are keeping us in touch with all the latest and greatest in AWS. Most noticeable outcomes from engagement with DoiT are twofold. One, that our platform is more performant and more secure, and another is that we achieved a cost reduction of about 30%.
The performance is really noticeable for our customers, so that makes me really happy. It's faster, it's more stable, less downtime, and our customers really experience the platform is responding faster.